CRO has been absolutely booming the last few days, and if you've seen my last few videos, you know I'm all for it. I previously talked about how CRO is one of the best utility tokens on the market today. Crypto.com has the reputation of having survived one of the worst crypto winters that not even Celsius, BlockFi or FTX could withstand, and they are killing the game in the private customer market with Visa cards so good that even Binance had to cancel theirs. Seeing this hype wave for the Cronos coin right now shouldn't come as a surprise to anyone who has been invested in it for the long run. With that being said, there are a few things I think Crypto.com should focus on even more moving forward to hit a record price target next bull run. Cause remember, the real bull run hasn't even begun yet. Cronos is just pulling ahead before everyone else. Before the video starts though, I just have to quickly mention that I am not a financial advisor and nothing I say should be considered financial advice. Always consider risk when investing and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Also, if you're new to the channel, my name is Wesky and I make weekly videos on Cronos, Crypto.com and other investment opportunities, so if you're into that, feel free to subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it, and in turn, you won't miss out on Cronos content like this when the market is pumping. With that being said, here are my 3 suggestions for how Crypto.com can capitalize on this momentum and dominate the crypto market in 2024. Starting with the first point, which is something I mentioned in my price prediction video, namely that Crypto.com should focus even more on expanding their private customer offering. Now what exactly does this mean? Well, banks and financial institutions tend to divide their organizations into different customer markets. Among those you have large institutions, wealth management, medium-sized companies, and of course a regular private customer market. Basically the part of the business that's dedicated to serving private individuals. For Crypto.com, this includes everything from the regular wallet features to more interesting aspects like Crypto.com Pay, Crypto.com Credit, and of course the Crypto.com Visa cards. This is the part where Crypto.com is really killing the competition. They have a private customer offering that really tries to emulate that of a real bank. And if Crypto.com wants to keep standing out the way it does today, this is likely where they should put their money. I'm talking further improving the Visa card, perhaps even going the Nexo route and adding a credit card option, implementing broader payment methods and credit solutions, integrated tax planning, and if we're looking at a big long-term picture, why not mortgage loans and a wealth management program? Basically anything that a real private customer bank has today, Crypto.com could try to emulate and do just as good if not better. That sense of familiarity would in turn help more people transition to Crypto.com, further increasing the price of the Cronos coin. My second suggestion to make Crypto.com boom in 2024 kind of expands on the previous one. Aside from the private customer offering they have today, I think an obvious next step would be to implement a corporate offering as well. There are many businesses out there looking to invest or transact in crypto today, but most platforms are tailored for private individuals. I'm not aware of any wallet that's designed specifically for receiving and sending corporate payments, along with all the payment solutions and account features needed for that. I mean, imagine if everyday merchants could use Crypto.com to receive payments in crypto directly from their customers who are also using Crypto.com. That would be Cronos domination. And there's already been some efforts with this through Crypto.com Pay, but that's a bit clunky in its current form and it isn't designed for vendors alone. Launching an entire separate corporate offering emulating that of a real business bank would be a first in the crypto space as far as I'm aware. And Crypto.com already has the technology needed for it, especially with regards to payment, credit, and custody solutions. Of course you have to take the compliance and legal aspect into consideration as well, but there's no denying that the corporate customer market is a big gap in the crypto space today, and whoever comes up with a proper solution for that is sure to hit the big bucks. And for my final suggestion, I'd like to touch on something that I mentioned in my previous video: insurance. Crypto.com currently has insurance for $100 million out of the roughly $3 billion that they manage. However, it's unclear under what exact circumstances this falls into place, and if it's enough to cover a major hacking or other financial incident. If there's something casual crypto investors want today, it's safety. So many people lost their crypto when Celsius, BlockFi and FTX shut down, and the new investors who aren't yet comfortable with hardware wallets or for whatever reason prefer to have their assets on an exchange really want to make sure that the platform they're using is reliable. If Crypto.com want to beat their competition in every area possible, they need to come up with an insurance plan that clearly states what will happen to people's crypto if something happens to the Crypto.com platform as a whole. I'm not an insurance expert or anything, so I don't know what the best solution would be be here. I just know that the more transparency we can get in this area, the better. And it's definitely something Crypto.com should focus on if they want to attract more people to their platform for the long term and, you know, pump the price of Cronos even more. Anyways guys, those were my broad thoughts for how Crypto.com could improve their platform moving forward. And remember, more people coming to Crypto.com usually means more people investing in Cronos, which is something we all probably want. But for now, let's enjoy the ride and see where this hype wave takes us. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Until then, have a good one.